May 9, 2009. Tomorrow birthday ni Andrew pero we're going to celebrate it today. Hello, Andrew! Say hi! Andrew?
Say hi daw na, ha?
Andrew, say hi! Anak! Andrew! Andrew, say hi! Ayan si Andrew, musing-musing pa. At ito mga balloon, si Andrew. At si Papa ang busy. Oh, say hi muna. Hi. Ooh. Hello. Ito si Andrew. Ayan. Say hi, Andrew. Paano yung blow ng candle? Blow. Blow ng candle, bebe. Paano yung blow? Blow. Eh, ikaw ba? Blow ka muna. Blow. Ayaw, ayaw. Siya gusto niya tumingin. Hi. Hi tayong dalawa. Hi. Hi muna.
Hello, Andrew. Happy birthday. Ito po, birthday ni Andrew. May 9 namin sinelebrate. Nasa loob po siya. Hello, Nak! Oops! There you are, Andrew! Ito po yung setup ng birthday party ni Andrew. There you go.
Happy birthday, Andrew. May 10 today. Ayan, si Mami gusto niya nang pa-open ang malaking regalo ni Ninang Cecil and Tita Beck. Oh, wow. Oh, bebe. Open muna tayo ng gift. Sorry, wala na akong boses. Oh, gift muna ni Andrew. Ito, open mo. Open mo, baby. Harap ka naman kasi kay Papa. Oh, sige. Harap kay Papa. Punta, harap kay Papa. Ayan, ah. Wow. Parang ayaw pabigay, ah. Ayan, oh. Ganun, bebe. Oh. Wow. Kanino kaya ito? Wala. Ay, to Andrew. Happy second birthday from Angeles family and Tita Arlene. Wow. Ano to yan?
Yan pala yung kila.
Wow, bat ito. Waste button. Ay, ito baby, oh, look, Bob. Ito, babos? Okay. Two plus. Okay, another one. Wait lang, ito pa, oh. Lagyan mo muna dyan. Oh, ito pa. From happy birthday from Pong and Sweet. Oh, ito. Ayan. Oh, clothes.
Ayaw niya ng...
Ayaw ng clothes. Sorry. Okay. Next. Ito pa, oh. Meron pa. Oops, another set of clothes. Kanino ito? Good luck. Opo. Pag nagbaba to, oh. Hawak mo muna.
Nike.
Nike, galing. Oh, ito pa, happy birthday, second, from Ryan and Shane. Oh, another set of clothes for Andrew. Wow. Beach clothes to. Wow. Magaling. Oh, sorry. ito. To Andrew